Many people struggle with sleep. It's a common issue that affects millions around the world, leading to restless nights and weary days. Insomnia is a common problem. It can manifest in various ways, from difficulty falling asleep to waking up frequently during the night and not being able to go back to sleep. It means you have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep. This can be incredibly frustrating and can lead to a cycle of anxiety and sleeplessness. This can make you feel tired and sluggish during the day. The lack of restful sleep can sap your energy, making it hard to get through daily tasks. It can also affect your mood, concentration, and overall health. You might find yourself feeling irritable, anxious, or even depressed. Lack of sleep can have serious consequences. Over time, chronic insomnia can lead to more severe health issues, both mental and physical. It can weaken your immune system. When your body doesn't get enough rest, it can't effectively fight off infections and illnesses. This makes you more susceptible to illnesses. Even common colds can become more frequent and harder to shake off. It can also increase your risk of accidents and injuries. Sleep deprivation affects your reaction time and decision-making abilities. If you're constantly tired, you're more likely to make mistakes. These errors can range from minor mishaps to serious accidents. Finding a solution for insomnia is crucial. Many people seek help through various methods, from lifestyle changes to professional advice. Many people turn to sleeping pills. These can provide temporary relief, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. However, these can have side effects and may not be suitable for everyone. It's important to be aware of potential dependencies and other health risks. Natural remedies offer a gentler approach. Many people find relief through herbal teas, essential oils, and other natural methods. One such remedy is lemon balm tea. Known for its calming properties, it can help soothe your mind and body, making it easier to drift off to sleep. Lemon balm is a fragrant herb. It belongs to the mint family. The plant has gentle, heart-shaped leaves. They release a delightful lemony scent when crushed. This is how it earned its name. Lemon balm is native to southern Europe and the Mediterranean region. It has a long history of use in traditional medicine. For centuries, people have used it to ease anxiety and promote sleep. Today, it remains a popular natural remedy. Many people find it helpful for managing sleep difficulties. Lemon balm tea offers a sense of calm and relaxation. This is primarily due to its active compounds. These compounds interact with the nervous system. They help reduce stress and anxiety. The calming effect of lemon balm tea can be especially helpful at bedtime. When you're less anxious, it's easier to fall asleep. The tea can also help improve the quality of your sleep. This means you're less likely to wake up during the night. Aside from its sleep-enhancing benefits, lemon balm tea offers other advantages. It can help soothe an upset stomach. It may also aid in digestion. Some people find it helpful for reducing menstrual cramps. Scientific research supports the traditional use of lemon balm for sleep. Studies show that lemon balm can increase GABA levels in the brain. GABA is a neurotransmitter. It promotes relaxation and reduces anxiety. One study found that people who took lemon balm extract fell asleep faster. They also experienced better sleep quality compared to those who took a placebo. Another study showed that lemon balm, combined with other herbs like valerian, improved sleep quality in people with insomnia. These findings suggest that lemon balm can be a valuable natural aid for improving sleep. More research is ongoing. However, the existing evidence is promising. Brewing the perfect cup, a simple lemon balm tea recipe. This soothing and aromatic tea is not only easy to make, but also offers a range of health benefits. Lemon balm, known for its calming properties, can help reduce stress and anxiety, making it a perfect choice for a relaxing evening. Making lemon balm tea is, well, really quite easy. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy a refreshing and calming beverage. Whether you are using fresh leaves from your garden or dried leaves from your pantry, the process is straightforward and quick. You can use fresh or dried lemon balm leaves. Fresh leaves tend to have a more vibrant flavor, while dried leaves are more convenient and have a longer shelf life. Both options will give you a delicious cup of tea. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon balm leaves, finely chopped to release their essential oils, or, if you prefer, 1 teaspoon of dried. The dried leaves are more concentrated, so you need less to achieve the same flavor. 1 cup, which is about 8 ounces, of boiling water. Make sure the water is at a rolling boil to extract the maximum flavor and benefits from the leaves. First, place the lemon balm leaves in a mug or teapot. If you are using a teapot, you can make multiple servings at once. Then pour the boiling water over the leaves. The hot water will help release the natural oils and flavors from the lemon balm. Next, cover and steep for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your desired strength. The longer you steep, the stronger the flavor and the more potent the calming effects. Depending on your desired strength. If you prefer a milder tea, 5 minutes should be sufficient. For a stronger brew, let it steep closer to 10 minutes. After that, strain the tea to remove the leaves. You can use a fine mesh strainer or a tea infuser to ensure a clear cup of tea. And finally, sweeten with honey or sugar if desired. Honey adds a natural sweetness and additional health benefits, while sugar provides a more traditional taste. And there you have it, a delightful cup of lemon balm tea. Enjoy! This tea is perfect for unwinding after a long day or simply enjoying a quiet moment to yourself. Sip slowly and savor the calming effects of this wonderful herbal tea. Section 6. Sipping your way to sleep. Tips for maximum benefits. In this section, we will explore how to get the most out of your lemon balm tea to ensure a restful night's sleep. To maximize the sleep-enhancing benefits of lemon balm tea, consider these tips. Timing is key. The time you choose to drink your tea can significantly impact its effectiveness. Drink a cup of lemon balm tea about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. This window allows your body to absorb the calming compounds, helping you to unwind and prepare for sleep. This allows enough time for its calming effects to kick in. The soothing properties of lemon balm work best when given a little time to take effect. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. A consistent routine signals to your body that it's time to wind down. Make tea time part of your wind-down routine. Preparing and drinking your tea can become a ritual that helps you transition from the busyness of the day to the tranquility of night. Dim the lights, take a warm bath, or read a book to prepare your mind and body for sleep. These activities can enhance the calming effects of the tea, making it easier for you to drift off. Consistency is important. Drink lemon balm tea regularly for optimal results. Making it a nightly habit can help your body recognize the signals that it's time to sleep. Don't expect it to work wonders after just 1 cup. Listen to your body. Everyone's response to herbal remedies can vary, so it's important to pay attention to how you feel. Adjust the steeping time and frequency as needed. You might find that a longer steeping time or an additional cup in the evening works better for you. Start with a weaker tea and gradually increase the strength or quantity if desired. This approach allows you to find the perfect balance that suits your taste and needs. Keep a sleep journal to track your progress. Note how you feel each night and any changes in your sleep patterns. This can help you fine-tune your routine for the best results. Over time, you'll likely notice improvements in your sleep quality and overall well-being. Enjoy the journey to better sleep with lemon balm tea. Section 7. Other ways to embrace the power of lemon balm. While tea is a popular way to consume lemon balm, it's not the only option. You can also find lemon balm in other forms. Capsules. Lemon balm extract is available in capsule form. This provides a convenient and standardized dose. Tinctures. These are concentrated liquid extracts. You can add a few drops to water or juice. Essential oil. Lemon balm essential oil has a calming aroma. Use it in a diffuser or add a few drops to a warm bath. Section 8. A word of caution. Potential side effects and interactions. Lemon balm is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderation. However, some individuals may experience mild side effects like upset stomach, headache, dizziness. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult your doctor. Lemon balm may interact with certain medications. Sedatives, thyroid medications, glaucoma medications. It's crucial to talk to your doctor before using lemon balm if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions. Section 9. Sweet dreams await. Embrace the calming power of lemon balm. Insomnia can significantly affect your well-being. Finding natural ways to improve your sleep is essential. Lemon balm tea offers a gentle and effective solution. Its calming properties, backed by scientific evidence, can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy more restful nights. Incorporate lemon balm tea into your daily routine and experience the difference. Remember to consult your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. Sweet dreams await.